this app basically tells me the signal strength. Okay, so basically the issue I'm having is that I have the router in this room, which is the living room, and then here there's walls of concrete, and we have the kitchen, and then inside the kitchen there's a small room which is the office, and then the problem is that the router signals do not reach very well until the office. So the first solution I did is that I connected an extender inside the kitchen, which would then give me the Wi-Fi signals, and then the router would give it to the extender. It worked all right, but it wasn't good enough for me to, for example, live stream. So what I had to do is that I had to move the extender a little bit on this area and connect the Ethernet cable directly into the office, and that way it worked much better. And this is how I'm going to show you how to do it, if maybe it might help you as well. Okay guys, the problem I have basically is that my internet router is here and I have no way of sending it over there. So if we go, the Wi-Fi signal is not going to be that strong in this area and in that room where I want to put my computer, right? So the solution I have that I did first was that I added an extended router here just at the entrance of the kitchen. It's not enough for the signal, for the Wi-Fi signal to get all the way over there. So the next thing I'm gonna do is that now on the extender, I'm gonna connect the Ethernet plug. Now that I have the Ethernet cable plugged in, I can just throw a cable all the way up until that room, but it's gonna be too crazy to go over the top of the door. So what I'm gonna do is that I'm just gonna use a switch that is coming, an electric switch coming from there, and then I'm gonna place the router here. And how do I know how to do that? Is because I use an app. This app basically tells me the signal strength. So for example, as I go closer to the Wi-Fi, you can see how the signal is getting better and better and better and better until I get to it, right? So now, as I go back into the area that I needed, the original place of the extender, it's more or less around 65, 63. So now, here in this table basically is where I'm gonna put the extender. Okay, so basically now we have the router connected there, the extender actually. Here we can see the signal almost the same as we had it on that wall. And now I can map all this cable, which of course it doesn't look well, but now I can come and connect it directly to the laptop, and let's check out what speed does it have. The ping is not so good, of course, because of the extender, but it doesn't affect me for my work. I'm getting a good strong upload, 50, which is not bad for what I need to do, and I get a almost symmetric upload at 40 something. So it's not bad. It allows me to do all the work that I need. Actually, it's pretty symmetric with 50.